Welcome to Dashcam Info. My name is Dirk, and if size matters to you and if you want to have a very discreet looking dashcam, then we should not disregard the Azdome M200. Yes, it's that tiny. We're going to take a quick look at the unboxing. Well, there was not much to unbox. Also, the installation is pretty easy because you simply peel off the protection film and then you press it against your windshield. But we're definitely going to take a quick look at the app, and I'll show you footage by day and also by night. Opening the box, we see the dashcam, and underneath we find a power adapter that is directly attached to the power cable. We also get tools and hooks for cable management, the manual, and adhesive films for the windshield. Taking the camera out of the bag, I got a smile in my face because it's so small. On the left side we have the power button, air vents on top and on the bottom, and on the right side we do have a USB port for the power and a slot for a micro SD card that is not included. To operate this dashcam, you go to your Wi-Fi settings on your phone and select the M200 network. You type in the top secret passcode 12345678. Once you're logged into the network, you can go to your Azdome app and connect it to your M200 dashcam. From here, everything is very simple and straightforward. To go into the settings, you have to stop the recording and then press the cogwheel top right. With a simple tap, you can access each of these settings here and change them to your liking. Back in the main menu, you can access your footage by clicking on Dashcam Albums. And now I'd like to show you footage recorded in 1080p during the day. And here are 90 seconds of footage by night. I haven't installed it in the car yet, but I'm going to do it in a minute. And then I'd like to know together with you, how is the image quality? Do you like what you see? Let me know in the comments below. And as you know, always a free way to support my channel would be to leave a like. And if you like this channel overall, please consider to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned and take care. Bye for now.